Hello, my name is Devin Lin from 9A. Today I'll be showing you my 3D eye model. So I made this 3D eye model by just buying a styrofoam ball. Then I cut the styrofoam ball in half to draw the inside of the eye from a side view. I then drew a basic diagram of an eye on it. After that, I painted it with colors. Now in this video, I would like to explain the different parts and structures of the eye. First, let's look at the outer layer, the sclera. It is the white outer layer of the eye, and it gives the eyeball its shape and protects the eye from injury. After the sclera, there is the choroid, which is a layer between the sclera and the retina, which contains a black pigment called melanin. The choroid supplies the eye with nutrients and oxygen. At the front here, there's the cornea. It is a tough layer which protects the eye from damage. And just right behind it, there's the iris, this and this. It can control the size of the pupil, which is a hole which can dilate, becomes bigger in low light conditions, or constrict, becomes smaller in high light conditions. Around the iris, there's aqueous humor, which is a water substance which maintains the shape of the eye.
Behind the iris, there is the lens. The shape of the lens can be changed by the ciliary muscles, which is attached to the lens by the suprasensory ligament. The lens focuses the light and refracts it into the retina.
Now, the retina is made out of lots of light-sensitive cells, rods and cones. They send a signal through the optic nerve to the brain. Over here, you can see a dip in the retina called the fovea, which provides the greatest visual acuity. Right in front of the optic nerve, there's a blind spot with no light-sensitive cells. You usually don't notice it because your brain usually fills in the gaps for you. Between the lens and the retina, there's vitreous humor, which is a gel-like substance to also maintain the shape of the eyeball. Here you can also see blood vessels, arteries, and veins, which supply the eye with oxygen and dispose of its carbon dioxide. Now, let's look at the negative effects of excessive use of electronic devices. First, let's look at nearsightedness. If you keep looking at the screen too close to your eyes, your lens have to get thicker to focus the light. After constantly doing this again and again, the lens will not be able to become thinner and you would be unable to see distant things. This may lead to the requirement to wear glasses. Now, to maintain our eyes' health, we can reduce screen time, take breaks when you use an electronic device, have a healthy diet, wear sunglasses to protect from radiation. Regular eye checkups may also help. Thank you for watching this video.